Picture this. It's 58 BC, and an entire nation is on the move. The Helvetii, a massive Gallic confederation, had burned their villages and were migrating west, with a fighting force that Caesar himself claimed was over 90,000 strong. Standing in their way was Julius Caesar and his Roman legions. On paper, this looked like it should have been a slaughter for the Romans. Instead, it became a masterclass in discipline, engineering, and tactical genius. This is the story of the Battle of Bibracte. As Caesar's army marched to the allied town of Bibracte to get much-needed supplies, the Helvetii saw an opportunity and attacked his rear guard. But Caesar didn't just react. He turned the situation to his advantage. He immediately seized a nearby hill and set up his defense. He deployed his 4 veteran legions, the ones he trusted completely, in 3 lines down the slope. And the other 2 newer legions? He put them to work up top, digging trenches to protect the army's baggage train and acting as a reserve. The Gallic warriors charged furiously up the hill, right into a perfectly timed volley of Roman javelins, or pila. These weren't just simple spears. They were designed to bend on impact, sticking in shields and making them impossibly heavy and awkward to hold. With the Gallic charge faltering and their shields rendered useless, the legionaries drew their swords and charged downhill. Just as the Helvetii began to fall back, the battle took a dramatic turn. A huge force of their allies, the Boii and Tulingi, suddenly appeared and slammed into the Roman flank. For a moment, the Romans were in danger of being surrounded, but Caesar was prepared for exactly this. The fighting was savage and raged for hours into the afternoon. As evening approached, the Gallic lines finally broke. The Romans chased them back to their camp, where the fighting continued late into the night before a decisive victory was won. The battle was a stunning success that not only launched Caesar's legendary conquest of Gaul, but also solidified his reputation as one of history's greatest military commanders. If you want to see more stories of legendary Roman tactics, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next one.